Hello my people, good day, good afternoon, and happy weekend, Abians all over the world. It's your boy Kebu TV on the MXC, and today is Sunday, the 17th day of March 2024. Kebu is reporting along Port Harcourt Road, the city that never goes to sleep. Obodo development, captain of industries, SME, the highest SME, the most peaceful state in the whole of Southeast, and also the most developing state in the whole of the Federation as we speak, courtesy of Dr. Otti, OFR. We are here reporting the capital B, men of the Geological Construction Company are doing wonders. Especially this message goes to our abroad followers who always want to know the pattern. You can see now a covered drainage and here one by one. And here the covered drainage gradually. So I'm happy today. Not only that, as I told you the last time I came here, Geological Construction Company have introduced, are bringing up to 26 trucks. 26 trucks. Now different arena, na different locality, na different area. So Oro Gaganike ever since Dr. Otti visited this area, Wahamba now can speed up more jobs. So this speed up this contract. So might be able today they impressed, they happy. Nah, true. All here and here they are gradually fixing the covered drainage. Not only fixing the covered drainage, every excavation on the other side of the road, so that you got from number 1, Orata Junction. From that Orata Junction now, the other side. They just want to speed up the job so that before you can see they make a sand filling. Yeah, they are sand filling this area. So all here make a now. Kebu sekarang mbak kembali tu bebe lega orang ni siaga, nak kono anak aru, anak esiku munai, they no both. Anak esiku munai, they know all part of the world because these are all here to Ronanya, all here make expert, and all when here I feel we may you're them. So I'm superly impressed. I'm happily impressed. I'm authentically impressed as well. I'm not English guy grown at school. So you can see now these guys with equipment toward down and a bully and a lift. So here we have slab here, but then I got a fish, so they cover drainage and we fish. So the most important thing that they are delivering nothing but the best. So moving forward, I have information now. The DG of Kada, Greater Harcourt Development Authority, ever since Dr. Otti visited Port Harcourt Road, who now this very building now, this is strong, or this is suitable, or this is safe to be here. So I'm able to let the building at this moment. Today and not today so not only that, they make landscaping filling are also doing their own job. Then they take what they cover drainage are also doing. So I can imagine when is you name no better. Maka today was Sunday, the 17th day of March 2024. Here I watch you Kebu TV. So because she by subscribing to Kebu TV, you will be our subscriber or react to our posts, comments, and also share if possible. Our page so thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking around. I will still show you more. Oro gaga everywhere in all ramifications, in all aspects of life. Oro esubrila. Ndeeriela munsu. Awunde kwuru asị na our governor ga-aga gwa ọgwụ ego na wee ga-abịa steeti ka o ji na-arụ ọrụ. Ama m kewe eziokwu but ihe mụ aja afta etoro wee tere ede ka ọrụ na-aga maka na asịrị onye Awụsa otoro gbagbuo ya ya ọsị ka ọhụ ya n'anya. Show me so that magician otoro na gbagbu mmadụ. Let us go akwụkwọ n'ije ofu onye. We need that change. That change mantra which we have been yearning for, which we all have been praying for, which we are all expectant of. Also from English, as someone who reads psychology of learning the human perspective. So stick around while I show you what in the sub at this city that never goes to sleep. This is Port Harcourt Road, Aba University. So today is actually a walk-on day, a walk-free day. The guys are working as usual. They are gingering and also adding more weight, more strength, more whatever, more material, more equipment to this workforce. And we are also expectant. We are also happy that these men are showing us the right work and also at the right time. You are watching Kebu TV. Can you change your location? Can we excavate the old drainage so that when we can yeah, so you can see the process in which the old drainage is being excavated from the ground. The trucks will always come around to pick them. So you know, as I told you guys earlier, the old drainage being constructed by the last administration, we are condemned by the construction company. So how they may excavate all of them from number 1 till the end. Install their own precast slab. So today is Sunday, the 17th day of March 2024, and you are watching Kebu TV. You follow in various social media handle. You always be getting the direct information on what is development happening in Aba University. Yeah, so this is it. On today, all the construction company now handle this project and they handle it very, very well. So this is the guy you guys know too well. The guy you guys always love to watch his video. This is Kebu TV, and we are reporting from Port Harcourt Road. Today being Sunday, the 17th day of March 2024. So the construction company, they are tackling they are doing a massive excavation, excavating the old drainage here in Port Harcourt Road, the city that never goes to sleep. After weeks, you can see that the place has so decayed, so very, very bad. After this, the grant, we can install the new precast slab. So it's all happening today, and the Kebu is here to capture his life and direct. So we are here to do justice to that. And not only here, as I told you guys before now, Oronaga almost everywhere. Kuba now in the mega excavation, serious excavation of the old drainage. You can see now the rods, the decayed, so the expired rods here. So every time Kuba now, I will see them moving over to the other side, towards the Orata Junction, Orata Axis, to show you within the shop. With so many places in our road, it's also our duty to make sure that we will be showcasing the work of His Excellency Dr. Chioma Otti, as in the work for Abians, as in the work to redeem the love of Abia State, being the economic hub of the Southeast, and also the most developing state in the whole of the Federation, and also the most peaceful state in the whole of Southeast. Yeah, so this is all happening today, and always will be related. So Kebu no nihuaro, sekamzimbo wahina emenu eba. So if you always follow us, you always be getting the right chicks, how it happen, when it happen, and how it take happen. So this is all happening here today, and they excavate, and they bopu. The target is for them to meet up before another rainy season. And you know, rainy season is around the corner, and they are speeding up to meet up this challenge. So you are watching Kebu TV, and we are here to give you the best, according to the best. Stay tuned and also watch it for more.